I'll tell you who all are coming. Kartik Aaryan is coming, Ananya Pandey is coming, Karan Johar is coming, and Kalwinder is coming.
And I am also
And Pratika Thakur is coming. And we'll obviously... I'm vlogging today.
same.
Look at her.
And then I'll
She's
end
so
up using
pretty.
your vlog.
There's so much traffic. We can't even find an auto anywhere. And we can't even walk properly.
We should walk
Till there?
No, like till there.
But like autos are coming from this side only anyway.
But there's an auto stand there, but I don't even think that they'll accept. They're all sharing autos. Bro, I don't even mind a bloody sharing auto.
तो ना मुझे इतना weird लगता है public में चलने में.
There are so many men just staring.
Exactly. Like you.
Bro, did you see that? Oh my god! He made a face also.
I hate men.
Please stop.
I saw. We finally found an auto and it's 8:50.
Yeah, we're supposed to.
Reach by 8 o'clock, but obviously no one's going to reach by 8.
Bro, but can I be honest? Anisha and I used to attend every single creator event on time, and then
Yeah.
we realized that creators are like never
On time.
Not just creators, but any event it just never starts on time. So we're like, bro, it's fine. It's just
Yeah. They're intentionally late.
They informed us at 7 that we have to go, and then at 8 he's like, did you reach?
Yeah, and that place is like an hour away.
Yeah.
So obviously we can't reach by 8. We are going by metro because आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही traffic है. Some minister is coming.
Everyone else is coming back from office, so they're all in shirt and tie, and they're like,
Sorry.
okay, pay attention.
Okay, paying
I
attention.
have noticed something.
Yeah.
Whenever I talk to like older siblings,
Yeah.
usually, there are exceptions, but they're always really passionate about like children. You know, they love to take care. They're like, oh, I would love to have children. Any manage children. And you talk to younger siblings and they're like, yeah, I don't give a shit. Like, I don't care.
It's been 3 minutes. I can't record anymore. Bye.
Why don't you do a plank? For 3
Plank?
minutes?
Yeah, that's so easy.
That's-
I guess I should do it for 30 minutes.
She can't even hold it for like more than 1.5 minutes. Should I do a pull-up?
Hitting on me? Sorry.
Actually, I crashed into you. But my dad watches my videos. स्वयं चलित सीढ़ियाँ
बच्चों को पकड़ के रखे.
Okay, shut up 1 second. I come from a good family. We're in the same field, so if you have to talk to other people, I would understand.
Like yeah, you can give me good advice.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then
Then you're pretty.
I love you.
Oh, you love me. I love
So
you.
why will they mind
Yeah. Which side?
masks?
Which side? Left or right? Pinky, 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 pinky. Oh my God, what is she doing? No, they won't accept you as a bahu.
Pinky, paw. Bro, what are you doing?
What am I doing? What are you doing in the middle of a metro station? Like, look.
Bro, where do we have to go?
I guess we should choose this side.
Okay.
Because we are always right.
Oh,
Following you.
do we have to go this side?
I don't know.
Are you
Let's just check.
bullshitting?
No, we are on the right direction.
If we have to go this side, I'll kiss you. Oh no, we have to go this side.
I was dying for it. Crying for it. Pooja, what is this behavior?
I'll slap you.
Oh my God, हमें tickets निकालनी पड़ेगी. Where's my manager?
मेरा टिकट का
Oh, sorry, तू ही है.
अरे मेरी खुद का टिकट नहीं है. Whenever I have to go to these events without you,
Yeah.
it's just like
You just miss me.
slap you actually.
Then you will slap them back. No, for me.
Not at all. I will join them.
You'll join them. You'll leave me and join them. Them. Arey yeah. Again, we have to catch an auto, which is the hardest thing to do in Mumbai right now. We have reached the place. Update. But anyways, we are almost 2 hours late. But still, we are early to this event. Oh my God! Sorry.
कुछ और था। तलविंदर कहाँ पर है? सबको लगता है कि
कार्तिक और तलविंदर एक जन है।
हाँ, ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी when तलविंदर said yes to our film with
She's so tired. She is so tired.
What? Yeah.
She has clocked out. Clocked out.
कौन आ रहा है?
I don't know. I guess someone is coming back. Tired?
It was मतलब it was nice.
It's just the thing is all the paps.
Yeah.
Well, it was very
Like,
irritating.
you
We
can't
can't see. I guess I couldn't vlog much over there.
There was
That's
nothing
sad.
to vlog because there was music and dancing. What will you vlog?
Yeah, and I thought there'll be proper food. But I mean, they were giving food, but I couldn't eat all the non-veg food because I'm a vegetarian. I wanted to eat a dessert,
Yeah.
but I couldn't. मैंने मम्मी को घर पे कुछ बनाने भी नहीं बोला था. So I guess I'll eat. I don't know what. What will I eat? I don't know.